On the morning of December 14th, 2024, strike drones attacked an oil depot near the city of Oryol, capital of the Oryol region. The drone attack was officially reported by the governor of the region, Andrei Klitschkov. According to him, the drones struck the Stalny Koni production and dispatching station, where large volumes of oil products are stored. The strike hit one of the tanks, causing a massive fire. The oil depot itself is located at the village of Stalny Koni, approximately 110 kilometers from the Ukrainian border. The fire was also confirmed by NASA satellites on the FIRMS service, where the first fire was detected at 2:20 a.m. Kiev time. Despite the fact that the oil depot was confirmed to have been hit, the Russian Ministry of Defense officially stated that 37 drones had been intercepted by air defense forces. As of 8 a.m. on December 14, 2024, Kiev time, according to the governor of the region, Andrei Klitschkov, the fire was localized. But later, there were reports about secondary explosions, and videos are showing that depot is still burning during the day. It should be noted that this was not the first time the tank farm was attacked. On November 16, 2024, drones attacked the territory of the oil depot. The strike damaged oil storage tank number 28, which was a quarter full. Earlier, Rosneft's oil depot in Bryansk had been hit by drones. This year, Ukraine significantly escalated its drone and missile strikes on oil depots and refineries in Russia and occupied territories, aiming to disrupt Russian military logistics and weaken its economic resilience. The campaign has targeted facilities crucial for fuel supply to Russian forces and for generating revenue to fund military operations. Ukrainian drones hit oil depots in Smolensk, reportedly destroying facilities with a capacity of 26,000 cubic meters. Another attack struck Lipetsk, emphasizing Ukraine's strategy to cripple logistics deep within Russian territory. In April and June, Ukrainian drones struck several energy sites, including oil facilities in Smolensk and Belgorod, as well as the Novoshaktinsk refinery in the Rostov region. These attacks caused fires, temporary shutdowns, and damage to fuel storage sites crucial for military operations. In May, a Ukrainian drone hit the Salavat refinery in Bashkortostan, a site located approximately 1,200 kilometers from the border, showcasing an unprecedented range for such attacks. This strike targeted a Gazprom facility, damaging its pumping stations. Several attacks targeted energy infrastructure in Crimea, with Ukrainian drones reportedly destroying fuel depots vital to Russian operations. A high-profile strike in Sevastopol in September targeted a military logistics hub, leading to significant fires. These strikes form part of a broader effort by Ukraine to impair Russia's military supply lines. The attacks are also symbolic, demonstrating vulnerabilities deep within Russian-controlled areas. This escalation highlights the evolving use of drone warfare and the strategic importance of targeting critical infrastructure during the conflict. Workers at Russia's largest state construction site, the M12 highway, have stopped being paid. Delays began in the summer, and payments have stopped completely since September. Of the 1,000 employees, 600 have already quit, and the rest cannot go home. The State Labor Inspectorate and the Investigative Committee have launched an investigation, but Avtodor says the money has not reached the contractors. Russian war correspondents are increasingly paranoid about a possible Ukrainian offensive in the Kursk or Belgorod regions. They view the buildup of reserves, both infantry and equipment, as suspicious, particularly in light of recent statements about a potential ceasefire. Time will tell. On the preparation of the armed forces of Ukraine for an offensive in the Kursk and Belgorod directions. In recent weeks, we have been repeatedly discussing how all these talks about upcoming negotiations, existing problems within the enemy ranks, and claims that the West is tired of the conflict are aimed at lulling vigilance ahead of a Ukrainian offensive. Why do we think so? Some time ago, a large enemy reinforcement group, approximately 13,000 troops, was supposed to arrive in the Sumy region, specifically in Shaska. However, this grouping suddenly disappeared. Large units have not been spotted elsewhere, which indicates they are likely stationed somewhere in the rear. In November and December across Europe, there was a noticeable increase in footage showing the transfer of various armored vehicles to Ukraine. American Bradleys were spotted in Romania, Swedish tracked armored personnel carriers in Germany, and German infantry fighting vehicles and Leopard tanks in Poland. A few days ago, 3 more F-16 fighter jets from Denmark arrived in Poland. According to various reports, the total number ranges from 24 to 34 aircraft. This means the Ukrainian Air Force has at least 1 squadron, but it is being conserved rather than actively used. There have also been no significant strikes with Western missiles recently. One attack on Taganrog involved 6 ATACMS missiles, and 2 attacks on the Kursk region used 4 to 6 ATACMS, Storm Shadow, or Scalp missiles each. This indicates that missile usage has been limited. Stockpiles are available and are being accumulated. Taking all of this into account, the armed forces of Ukraine are preparing for an offensive. We believe the main direction will likely be either Belgorod or Kursk. These regions are now experiencing cold weather, meaning the ground is firm and suitable for the movement of armored vehicles. Putin's elite, the X-Men group, i.e. men aged 50 and older, are training to fight for the liberation of Russia from unnecessary ballast.
Ну ты чё? Вот видишь вот этот квадратик?
Так, это я в курсе.
Уголком туда вставляй. Давай еще. Сколько тебе лет?
55.
55. Заебись. Тебе сколько лет?
53.
А?
53.
53. Ну, блядь, ебаный в рот. Молодец. Давай еще. Давай. Молодец. Тебе сколько лет?
6.
56. Ну, блядь, отстегивай, давай. О, молодец. Молодец. Тебе сколько лет?
63.
63, да? Ебать нахуй. Еще раз меняй. Хоть что-то. Тебе сколько лет?
53.
53. Молодец. Тебе сколько лет?
57.
Сопли вытери, 57. Молодец. У тебя что тут? Ебать, о, красавчик. Сколько лет?
55.
55. Хуя, группа X. Тебе сколько лет? 46. Тебе сколько лет?
56.
56. Тебе сколько лет?
60.
А?
60.
60.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.